And this is how you make French butter cake. We're going to make French butter cake, which is one of my favorites. It's so good. So let's get started. You start with 1 cup of butter. I like to use salted butter because I think it has a better flavor. Then we're going to add 1¼ cups of sugar, white sugar. Or white granulated sugar, whatever you want to call it. And we are going to mix that up and cream it really good. While that's creaming, we're going to break 4 eggs. Doesn't matter what kind of eggs. You want your butter soft and your eggs room temperature. Mine may be a little bit cold. But just cream it until it's creamed. We want it to become fluffy. So we're going to cream it for about 3 to 5 minutes. If your butter's a little bit cold like mine, cream it maybe a little longer. So we're going to take 2 cups of flour, just regular, good old purpose flour. So it's fairly creamy. At this point, we'll add our 4 eggs. And start incorporating them. You can add them one at a time or all together. This is supposed to be a very easy, quick cake that tastes amazing. Next, you take 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and then we're also going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla to the egg and butter mixture. Now that you have the eggs, butter, and sugar mixed together, we're going to add our flour mixture. We're just going to slowly beat that. Once it all comes together into a very soft batter, we're going to take it out and do the final step by hand. The last thing to add is half a cup of heavy cream or milk, whichever you have. It can be either. Cream will make it more rich. I have some that I need to use, so that's what I'm using. Just go ahead and stir that in. Just stir it like until it's disappeared, but don't overstir because you don't want to start working the gluten. So your batter should be looking like that. Okay, you're going to take a 9-inch pan. I surprisingly don't have a 9-inch square pan, so I'm using this. We'll see if it works. And grease it. I grease so many pans by hand when I worked in the bakery that yes, I use olive oil spray now. Now we're going to just pour our batter into our pan. Just going to spread it all out to the edges. It will be a pretty dense batter. And now you can decide to do one of either two options for the top. You can sprinkle sugar across it now and bake it that way, and it will get it like a crunchy top. Or you can just put powdered sugar on it once it comes out. We're going to bake this at 350 degrees for 40-ish minutes. It may take a little longer. Okay, so it took about 48 minutes at 350. I took a piece from the middle because why not? It's always the best the first day. This is great like as a coffee cake or... That is so annoying. There's like metal or something in the washer. Okay, so this is the French butter cake. Let's take a bite. Once you're done, you can just put powdered sugar on top. It's like a very classic old style yellow cake. I personally love it because it's so simple and you can mix it by hand.